If you're using ChatGPT just for homework, random questions, or fun conversations, you're missing a huge opportunity. Because in 2026, people are using simple AI prompts to start freelancing, create digital products, grow online businesses, and even make money from content creation. And the crazy part? Most people still don't know what prompts to use. So in this video, I'm going to show you 7 powerful ChatGPT prompts that can actually help you make money online, even if you're a beginner. And make sure you stay until the end because the last 2 prompts are probably the most powerful ones on this list. Let's get into it. Prompt 1. Freelance services. The first prompt is perfect for beginners who want to start freelancing online. Here's the prompt. List the top 5 freelance services I can offer based on my skills, and then insert your skills. Include examples of how I can package these services and price them. Now this is powerful because many people want to freelance but don't know what service to offer. For example, if you type, "My skills are Canva design, video editing, and social media management," ChatGPT can instantly suggest services like YouTube thumbnail design, TikTok video editing, Instagram content management, short-form content repurposing, social media branding packages. But it doesn't stop there. It can also tell you how to package these services professionally. For example, basic package, standard package, premium package, and even suggest pricing. This saves beginners a lot of time because most people don't know how to position their skills. You can take the results from this prompt and start offering services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Contra, LinkedIn, X, formerly Twitter. And honestly, this is one of the fastest ways to start making money online with AI. Prompt 2. Digital product ideas. The second prompt is one of my favorites. Here's the prompt. Generate a list of trending digital products I can create and sell online in 2026, including ideas for marketing and distribution. Now, digital products are amazing because you create them once and can sell them over and over again. Examples include ebooks, templates, Notion planners, AI prompt packs, resume templates, social media kits, online guides. Let's say your niche is fitness. ChatGPT might suggest a 30-day workout planner, meal prep templates, fitness challenge, PDFs, gym tracking sheets. And the best part is that ChatGPT can also help you market these products. It can suggest TikTok content ideas, Instagram carousel posts, Pinterest strategies, email marketing ideas, content hooks. This is important because creating a product is only half the job. Marketing is what actually makes money. And thanks to AI, beginners can now create and launch products much faster than before. Prompt 3. Create an online course. Now let's talk about one of the highest income skills online, selling knowledge. Here's the prompt. Help me design a course on, and then insert your topic, including lesson plans, assignments, and ways to market it effectively. This prompt is insanely valuable because many people want to create courses but get overwhelmed. They don't know what lessons to include, how to structure the content, how to keep students engaged. But ChatGPT can help organize everything. For example, you could say, "Help me design a course on starting a faceless YouTube channel." Then ChatGPT could generate Module 1, choosing a niche. Module 2, script writing with AI. Module 3, AI voiceovers. Module 4, thumbnail creation. Module 5, monetization. It can also generate assignments and student exercises, and after that, it can help you market the course using YouTube videos, TikTok clips, email funnels, affiliate partnerships, free lead magnets. The online education industry is massive right now, and AI is making course creation easier than ever before. Prompt 4. Affiliate marketing content strategy. The fourth prompt is for people who want to make passive income online. Here's the prompt. Create a content strategy for promoting affiliate products in, insert your niche, including post ideas, calls to action, and ways to grow my audience. Affiliate marketing is basically promoting products and earning commissions when people buy through your link. And content is the engine behind affiliate marketing. The problem is, most beginners don't know what to post. This is where ChatGPT becomes powerful. For example, if your niche is AI tools, ChatGPT can generate YouTube video ideas, TikTok hooks, Instagram captions, blog post ideas, email content, call to action examples. It can even create weekly posting schedules. And this is important because consistency grows audiences. You don't need millions of followers to make affiliate income. You just need targeted content, the right audience, and consistency. This prompt basically gives you a roadmap. Now let's talk about client outreach, because even if you have skills, clients won't magically find you. Here's the prompt. Write a persuasive cold email template to pitch my services as a insert your service to clients in insert target industry. Make it engaging but professional. Most beginners struggle with outreach because they don't know what to say. Their messages sound too robotic or too desperate. But ChatGPT can help create clean, professional outreach messages. For example, if you offer video editing services for real estate businesses, ChatGPT can generate a personalized outreach email that sounds confident and professional. And the cool thing is, you can customize these templates for different industries. You can use this for web design, copywriting, social media management, thumbnail design, AI automation services, virtual assistants. And honestly, sending just a few outreach messages every day can completely change your income. A lot of freelancers get their first client simply through cold outreach. Prompt 6. Content ideas that go viral. Now this next prompt is extremely useful for creators. Here's the prompt. Generate 30 viral content ideas for my niche with hooks, titles, and engagement strategies. This is one of the best prompts for anyone building a brand online, because content creation is hard when you run out of ideas, but ChatGPT can instantly generate YouTube video titles, TikTok ideas, Instagram reel concepts, attention-grabbing hooks, audience engagement questions. For example, if your niche is AI side hustles, ChatGPT could generate titles like 3 AI tools that feel illegal to use. I tried making money with AI for 7 days. This AI tool replaced 5 hours of work. Hooks are important because they determine whether people click or scroll away. And in 2026, attention is everything. Prompt 7. Build a business plan. And finally, the last prompt. This one is probably the most underrated. Here's the prompt. Create a beginner-friendly online business plan for someone starting with little or no money in the niche of insert niche. This prompt is powerful because many people want to make money online but have no direction. They're watching random videos, trying random methods, and getting nowhere. But ChatGPT can help structure a real plan. It can generate income ideas, monetization methods, content strategy, startup tools, free resources, growth timelines, audience building strategies. And this is useful because clarity saves time. Instead of guessing what to do next, you now have a roadmap. And honestly, that's one of the biggest advantages of using AI properly. The truth is, most people are using ChatGPT completely wrong. They're asking basic questions, while other people are using it to build businesses, grow audiences, and create income online. And the best part, most of these prompts are free to use. So if you want, pause this video, copy some of these prompts, and actually test them yourself. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to AI Income Lab for more videos on AI tools, online income, and smart ways to use ChatGPT in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.